Okay. Good morning, dear student. I think journey of indirect tax and GST has been already began in your class, and uh, we had already completed two sessions on GST, which has given us a base regarding GST. Can I able to recollect with you what exactly discussed and deliberated during a previous session of GST or
So
other
you
indirect tax?
told about the sections
Okay,
1 to 30 आपने से बताया था जिस्ट कि कौन
okay,
सा सेक्शन क्या है.
okay. What else?
सर आप कुछ तो बताने वाले थे ना कि वो
वो तो है बताने.
आईटीसी आईटीसी के
हाँ,
बारे में आप कुछ बोलने वाले थे.
in credit. Okay. Then what else? We haven't discussed difference between direct and indirect tax. Why
वो फर्स्ट
indirect tax?
लेक्चर में ही हो गया.
हाँ, वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
Why indirect tax is so important in India? Why there was a need of revamping the indirect structure, tax structure in India, and many other things. Okay. Only one student speaking, I don't satisfy with that. I expect others also to participate, and I am very sure in 2021 my resolution will be no chat box. Chat box में allow ही नहीं करूँगा तुमको कुछ लिखने के लिए. Right? I want to have the feeling of classroom interaction, which we used to have last to last year. Was it so in lecture? I used to ask something and used to write in the notebook and used to show us. We used to go and see what exactly you have written on the notebook. ऐसा था क्या? नहीं ना? So then why in the virtual mode you expect us to see your chat box? Why not? We should have direct interaction, face-to-face interaction, face-to-face communication, direct communication. Okay. Yes, what Sania has rightly stated, that it was need difference between direct and indirect tax, why indirect tax is required in India, and then we also studied and learned what exactly the semester 5, how the section 1 to section 30 is there as a part and parcel of our syllabus, which is also there mentioned in your syllabus as well as bridge course material which has been provided to you. Have you seen that bridge course material? If possible, देखा आपने last second last page, right? So there very categorically I have given you all the sections of, and we also concluded that amongst all GST Act, I mean, we have IGST Act, we have SGST Act, we have CGST Act, we have UTG. Amongst them, we have in our syllabus, I mean, 95% of 95% of. Samida, unmute करोगे तो ही सुनाई देगा.
CGST
And 5% of
ITC
IGST. For which thing we need, we will be going to refer IGST? No, place of supply.
हाँ sorry.
Which section of IGST we are going to refer?
Section 10 to 13 of supply.
Absolutely right. Superb. Very happy. Now I feel that I'm really in with my A division children, which जिनको ऐसा मैं 1-1.5 साल से नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ तकरीबन. And if I'm not wrong, I taught you in first year both the semester, no? Or only one
Yes,
semester?
sir. Both the semesters.
You are luckiest one. इतना मैंने आज तक मेरे लाइफ में किसी बैच को नहीं पढ़ाया. I first semester, I taught you in second semester, I taught you even in third semester of taxation. Yes, only
Yes, sir.
fourth I could not, and then again fifth semester. बहुत lucky हो बॉस तुम लोग. Before going to this, can we have basic, distinguish between direct and indirect tax? एक छोटा सा example जो we have discussed during lecture. Can you tell me what was that? What was that example? Then this PPT will have meaning. बोलो बोलो.
Sir, that wholesaler, retailer.
Very nice. What was that, Hinal?
Sir, first the wholesaler transfers it to the retailer, and then first manufacturer
Manufacturer.
transfers to manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, and retailer to customer.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Acha, now of this 4 years, how many of you are in a position to get 100 out of 100? किसी ने ये अचीव करा है कि नहीं? 99, 98?
So, tax में?
No, any of the subjects. If not, that means you are missing somewhere. You should. You should. Okay? And try. So what Hinal has rightly stated, that when it is imposed on manufacturer, that is the feature of indirect tax. They are shifting to wholesaler. Wholesaler is shifting their burden to retailer. Retailer is shifting their burden to consumer. And finally, consumer is paying. Earlier, it was a system. Today also, it is the basic feature of indirect tax. So, when the government official used to come and collect the tax from the manufacturer, they always had an excuse, boss, we have not collected from. Okay, then when they went to the wholesaler, they had an excuse, sir, we have not collected from retailer. See, when we will pay, when actually I'm going to get, again I will tell you the example of IV वाला. होटल वाले को कब भरेंगे? होटल वाला बोलेगा टूर वाले को, टूर वाला बोलता है सर हमको कॉलेज ने नहीं दिया, कॉलेज बोलता है हमको स्टूडेंट ने नहीं दिया, फिर स्टूडेंट पैसा भरेगा, वो कॉलेज कलेक्ट करेगा, कॉलेज कलेक्ट करके टूर वाले. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव गिवन यू दैट एग्जांपल. But you can easily understand how this is functioning in country like India. What is the basic feature of indirect tax system? Then again, once it is carried by your tour operator, and then finally it has to be paid to the hotel or the buses what we have used, or the restaurant where we had. Yes or no? This is how the cycle is. So then it was a very difficult time for the government to catch him. So then what they have invented with the new act system, as I told you, along with the definition of supply, a concept of supply, they have even changed the feature and functioning of these intermediaries for collecting tax. Okay. But before going to PPT, let me make this disclaimer. Okay. Whatever the view is expressed in these slides during our discussion from now till end of the journey is pure personal and individual opinion. Okay. And does not have anything to do with my institution, Thakur College of Science and Commerce and University of Mumbai. जो भी एग्जाम्पल मेरा है इसकी वजह से मेरे इंस्टीट्यूशन और मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी का कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. अगर कुछ होगा तो आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल, दे आर नॉट. See, these all are the new learning. These are the etiquettes now. Etiquettes known as. Okay, Sania is the best student of Rama ma'am. She is the right person to get all these things. And I mean, am I right, Sania? Tax figures and certain graphical presentations has been used from secondary data. Like GST Act, I have not adopted. It is from the government of India. Yes or no? So जो है as it is मैंने डाला है. उसमें कुछ अगर missing है और कुछ and this is all belongs to them, the original owner. मेरा उसमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Only for teaching I am using it. ठीक है. So whenever you are also making your PPT, important that you should make so that you will not be legally penalized, because it is now going for social media and you must be knowing now what is nowadays. Suna hai na, Twitter and all, those who have tweeted, they all are behind the bar now. So you have to be very, very cautious and careful. Whenever I did since last year, and that is what I'm gaining the benefit also. Can you believe how much would have been the hit website? The website which I have created last year in June till today, कितने hit हुए रहेंगे? Just approx. बताओ जरा. Tell me. और आज तक मतलब आप लोग मेरे वेबसाइट पे विजिट ही नहीं किए हो. शाबाश.
तो किया है.
तो कितना होना चाहिए?
होगा कुछ 1000 के तो ऊपर ही होगा ना.
शाबाश. जियो मेरे लाल. मैं भले ही अकाउंटिंग फाइनेंस का एचओडी हूँ, पूरा बोलता यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन ऑफ मार्केटिंग. By next week, your GST book will also, revised GST book will also be uploaded here. I wanted to show you how you should grab the opportunity in, difficult situation also. I hope you must be knowing my name. ये मेरा नाम है. मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, मैंने गूगल जब भी मेरा नाम डालोगे आप, फर्स्ट पेज सिर्फ मेरा ही है. इतना टाटा को भी लेवरेज नहीं मिला है. ठीक है. दिस इज कॉल्ड मार्केटिंग. ओके. माय वेबसाइट, my LinkedIn profile, very important for getting job. My books which are available on Amazon. All the books, including your taxation. Okay. This is for European publication. 4,500 का book है. And single authored, Google Scholar, very important for research. And then your own Facebook, YouTube, Insta, blah blah. मैं उतना अगर आप जाओगे अमिताभ एंड ऑल, उनका पहला इंस्टा दिखेगा या ट्विटर दिखेगा, अपन उसमें उतना एक्टिव नहीं है। अपन जिधर एक्टिव, सुपर एक्टिव है। एंड व्हेन you'll go to this site, you'll get to know it's a really proud for you all, because I'm first your coordinator and HOD, then the vice principal of college. Till to writing as a BAF HOD. You ask Sania whenever she has all my certificates. It is more than 1,21,000 hit. शायद ये बैफ के सिर्फ बच्चे अगर हिट करते थे तो मेरे को मेरी जिंदगी कम पड़ती थी, क्योंकि हार्डली 800 बच्चे हैं। Okay, I'll tell you why you should learn all this thing. First and foremost, for your research work. Okay, plenty of things are written and available here for the research. If not started again and again, I'm telling you, start. See all it research only. Clear hai? Okay, your entire इंडियन अकाउंटिंग एसोसिएशन के जितने जर्नल अकाउंटिंग फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड रिसर्च is available here. So you can take your topics from 94. सारे journals available है. And this all collection I have done it for you guys. Then you can go to Sodh Ganga thesis, which has more 30 billion thesis available by UGC. ठीक है, जिस पे आपको रिसर्च करना है, थीसिस आर अवेलेबल। और सबको मैंने हैंडी बना दिया है, कहीं दुनिया में गूगल करने की जरूरत नहीं, मेरे वेबसाइट पे आ जाओ, you'll get all learning material. क्लियर है? And the best part, your books. Again, in research, there are plenty of things available. अभी बहुत सारे बच्चे हिट कर रहे हैं। 228 बुक्स मैंने डाला हुआ है। ठीक है, explore all your FA, CA, everything is there. Really very good e-content, e-resource for children like you. Again, it depends upon you how much you can explore, exploit these resources available to you all. And everything is free of cost. Why I'm telling you? Because regularly I'm getting the call from parents, student, sir we can, वो लोग वहां तक पहुंच जाते, फिर डर लगता है उनको, अगर डाउनलोड किया तो मेरे अकाउंट में से पैसा चला जाएगा। मैं क्लियर बोला है, सर इट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। Nobody gives such kind of social service in this pandemic. From SYJC till CA final, materials are available as much as I could. talking about this part. Okay. Manufacturer used to sell to the wholesaler. Wholesaler used to sell to the retailer. Retailer used to sell to the consumer. Is it clear to you all? Okay. Manufacturer used to shift their burden to wholesaler. Wholesaler used to shift their burden to retailer. Retailer used to shift their burden to consumer. Clear hai? So government used to hit here. They were saying, sir, wholesaler se nahi aaya paisa. Government used to come to them. They were saying, sir, retailer se nahi aaya paisa. Retailer बोलता था, consumer बोलेगा इतना बड़ा हुआ वही नहीं बिका है. Okay, it is something like yes. Suppose you have been caught by any, traffic. Okay. Then what exactly is happening there? याद करो वो सिनेरियो में आप एक बार सिग्नल अन्य तोड़ा और आपको ट्रैफिक हवलदार ने पकड़ा. क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली तभी? किसी को पकड़ा है अभी तक जितने बच्चे बैठे हैं? आई एम कंसर्न अबाउट अदिति, सानिया, रुचि, समिधा, श्रेयस, जो श्रुति, महक, हिनल, सृष्टि, प्रिया, ओमकार. पकड़ा है तुम लोगों को? किसी को नहीं पकड़ा है? मतलब तुम लोग गाड़ी चलाते ही नहीं हो.
सर हम सिग्नल फॉलो करते.
अरे वाह, आप लगता है इंडिया में रहते.
सर आजकल पकड़ते थोड़ी है, सीधा बैंक अकाउंट से डिडक्ट हो जाता है पैसा.
आजकल मैं पहले की बात कर, 2 साल पहले की बात कर. अगर किसी को पकड़ा होगा तो क्या होगा?
हम भागने का ट्राई करेंगे, फिर वो आगे जाके पकड़ लेगा.
नहीं, अभी वो जैसे आपको पकड़ेगा ना, पहले बोलेगा पावती दे, पावती, सॉरी, लाइसेंस दे. फिर आप लाइसेंस दिखाओगे तो बोलेगा पीयूसी दिखाओ. पीयूसी दिखाओगे तो बोलेगा इंश्योरेंस. हैड यू एक्सपीरियंस और नॉट? इंश्योरेंस दिखाओ. इंश्योरेंस दिखाएगा तो बोलेगा आरसी बुक दिखाओ. सब दिखाया आपने, सब परफेक्ट है, ठीक है. फिर बोलेगा हेडलाइट चलाओ. फिर बोलेगा लेफ्ट राइट चलाओ, हॉर्न चलाओ. अपन बोलते हैं यार इतना पकड़ने वाला है. उससे पहले बोलते हैं साहिब ये गया ना, 10, 20, 25, 50, जिसकी जो औकात है उसके हिसाब से उनको. यस और नो?
यस.
वो भी खुश, हम भी खुश. 1 2 का 4. क्योंकि आप कितना भी जस्टिफाई करोगे, आपके पास है, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिस्टेक मिलेगा ही. And you are gone. You have to pay those penalties. There will be imposition of tax, and you are liable to pay those tax. तो अपन क्या करते थे? चल यार, अंडर द टेबल, ओवर द टेबल, साहब के हाथ में चिपका देने का, रख देने का, निकल जाने का. But as rightly Sania has stated, now this system has been abolished. अब कोई पूछता ही नहीं है, डायरेक्ट अपने बैंक अकाउंट से डेबिट हो जाए. These are the changes. Same thing has happened in indirect tax also. There were so many different tax and different tax. हमने सेल्स टैक्स दिया तो बोलता सर्विस टैक्स नहीं. सर्विस टैक्स दिया तो सेनवेट मांगता. सेनवेट दिया तो ऑक्ट्रॉय का चलान था. अरे वो बिजनेसमैन टॉर्चर हो जाता था यार, कितना एक्ट और उतने सेक्शन और इतने प्रोविजंस. फिर आपकी तरह वो भी, जैसे आप ट्रैफिक हवलदार के लिए थे, वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स के लिए थे. टैक्स ऑफिसर को अंडर द टेबल, अबव द टेबल, राइट साइड द टेबल, लेफ्ट साइड द टेबल देके आगे निकल लेते थे. But now with the new system of GST, it is not possible. How? Let us understand that. Just now you stated, okay. Now, if manufacturer is liable to, we have assumed the tax rate as 20%, 10%. So he has made the product of 200 rupees, 20 will be output tax liability, and he has paid the tax, and this 20 will be ITC, what Sania was stating, input tax credit. For whom? For the wholesaler. So manufacturer, whatever paid their output tax liability will be the input tax credit for wholesaler. Clear hai? Which is known as ITC. Now wholesaler again did value addition, 50 रुपया value add कर दिया उसका. तो पहला जो चीज 200 रुपए का था अभी 250 रुपए का हो गया. उसका 10% 25 रुपया tax liability. Clear hai? Now when it is a liability of 25 rupees for wholesaler, wholesaler will not pay 25 rupees. He will say, sir, I have input tax credit of 20, which is paid by manufacturer to the government. I will take that ITC here. And now I am liable to pay only 5 rupees, which I will pay to the government. Till your example is clear? Okay. Now again it went to the retailer. Retailer did the value added goods is of or services is of 300 rupees. Again the tax liability will be 30 rupees, 10% of 300. So when it comes to the output tax liability of 30 rupees to the retailer, retailer will say, sir, I will not pay 30 rupees. Why? Because manufacturer has already paid 20 rupee tax and wholesaler has also paid 5 rupees of tax, which is ITC to me, input tax credit to me. So now my liability is only 5 rupees which I'll pay. So it is only known as value added tax, which is a part of GST. So how much he has done the value addition? Manufacturer value addition of what? For manufacturer, what was the value of goods and service? Please unmute, then only you are able to hear. ये classroom नहीं है.
20.
No, value कितने का था?
200.
20 was tax.
200.
200. Okay, that is why he has paid the tax 20 rupees.
20 rupees.
Wholesaler has done the value addition of how much?
250.
250.
50.
225.
का ही था. He did the value addition of how much? 50.
50.
Okay, so that is why he has paid how much? Only is as tax.
5.
Retailer value addition is how much?
50.
50.
That is why he has paid only
5.
5. Now, if manufacturer will not pay, wholesaler will not buy. Why? Otherwise, he has to pay 25 rupees.
25 rupees.
आया पिया कुछ नहीं, गिलास थोड़ा बारह आना. Or he will buy only from those manufacturer who has paid and giving them the input tax benefit of 20 rupees. Same goes with retailer. Retailer will buy only from those manufacturer and wholesaler who has paid this 20 rupees and 5 rupees. If not, his liability will be 25, unnecessary. So nobody can do such kind of marketplaces. Everyone has to register, and after registration, they have to file the returns. After filing the return, they have to get their input tax credit. They have to transfer that input tax credit to subsequent buyer. इसको बोलते हैं एक तीर से 100 शिकार. गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा चला कभी कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता, and that's why created history after imposing GST, highest tax collection by government of India. Had you seen those news? Even अभी आप गूगल करोगे तो yes or no? Because nobody can evade tax. Nobody can do the chori of tax. Like it started, what it is called? Toll pay now, FASTag.
FASTag.
First time India has collected during pandemic also highest amount of tax collection through toll tax. Why? Because cash में आता था, कौन देखने वाला है? आधा लिया, only 20%, 10% government को जाता था, बाकी सब loss in transit. Now is it possible? Not possible. I'm telling you, as much as the government will collect tax, that much benefit will give to you. Believe me. And that's why since here I'm asking you, please do not hesitate to pay tax. Please do not evade tax. Rather pay tax, but go for tax planning. And save your tax. Tax saving is allowed. Tax evasion is not allowed. You learn all these techniques in your journey of bachelor and bachelor or program. We are there to assist you. I also do tax planning. I also do tax saving. But I never go for tax evasion. Tax की चोरी नहीं करने का. Otherwise, you will be definitely behind the bars. Nobody can stop. Okay. This was my teaching. आपको पता है मैं teaching के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ मेरी responsibility है. And I hope you must be enjoying learning of DST. ये तो अभी beginning है. आगे आगे और मजा है. जब पता है मेरे को पूरा act याद है. आप एक बार पढ़ रहे हो. मैं तो before introduction, after this, since last more than 2 decades, 22 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ tax. मुझे तो सब पता ही है. First, see in TY, tax बोलता हूँ. Fees collection is bit low. So being the CRs, kindly come. देखो आज देना है, 10 दिन के बाद देना है, क्योंकि क्या होगा ना, बहुत जल्दी ऐसे रूल्स आ कि दो बच्चे जिनको मिल गया है उनके रोल नंबर्स आ जाएंगे और उनको ही अटेंडेंस लगेगा. So please avoid those kind of discrepancies in your life. Make yourself comfort, and you should be at good student. Second thing, I have forwarded that ICAI ka program, IIT ka program. Those who have not enrolled, it is 100 rupees, 200 rupees ka program. Okay. Today I will share how many student has been placed. सब बच्चों ने वो सारे program करी थी, and because of those additional credits, additional advantage, they have been placed with such a huge package. और आज जहाँ पे कंपनी रखती नहीं है, उनको अच्छे से अच्छे पैकेज मिले. 6.5 लाख, 5 लाख, 4.5 लाख मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। माई ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू। जैसे एक मेरा ड्रीम होता है 100 मार्क्स, दूसरा होता है हाईएस्ट पैकेज, एंड हाईएस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ BAF student has been. I want you should also do the same. This legacy will continue. Till then, take care of yourself, be at home, be safe, पढ़ाई करो, और क्या करने का, सबके केयर करो, घर पे जितने भी जन है, टाइम मिला है, स्पेंड टाइम विद देम। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक।